Hey guys, here with the first episode of the Elrod's J&J Outdoors. I'm about to start fishing this little pond on the golf course. I'm going to start off with a chartreuse chatterbait, and I got a little bit of JJ Magic at the end, dyed it with chartreuse color, and I'll get back to you when we start fishing. Caught one off a spinnerbait. I tried them a couple times, tried them almost a week straight one time, never didn't catch a single one. I got a few, but I don't hardly never throw them because I don't got no confidence in them, on the truth. Just work it slow, just reel it slow. And the way I'm fan casting it, where I throw down the bank, I'll walk to where my end of my cast was, and I'll fish at like a 90-degree angle, like every 10 degrees of that angle, and a 90-degree angle. And every now and then, like this time, I take a throw backwards somewhere I already fished. Oh, I got one. Got one. It's a little one. Guess I'll start throwing behind me now more. It's a little one, but still a fish. I wonder how long he is. He's probably like 12 inches. $10 inches. Okay. Bought me a new bump board today. That's just a little bass. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. I'm about to retie and put on a bluegill style chatterbait. Dang it, I gotta take a picture. Hey guys, I just caught that little one. He probably was half a pound. It was 10 inches. And I don't know if I told you, but I want to catch 5 fish, but I have 5 different baits I want to catch them on. I wanted to catch one on that chartreuse chatterbait, and I'm about to throw this bluegill color chatterbait. Both of them was by Z-Man, and that one just had the regular trailer that went in with it. I'm using a Houdini fluke, super fluke. I put a little JJ's Magic on it. I didn't spike it this time. I used the regular garlic scent. And I was trying to catch 5 bass. Went off that chartreuse chatterbait. Went off this bluegill chatterbait. A bluegill crankbait, a square bill I bought today. A sexy shad lipless crankbait. And a weightless Texas rig Senko. Come here. Take a picture of you. Dummy. We gotta take a picture of him. How stupid am I? I'm gonna take a selfie with him. While I'm taking a selfie, I'm holding my phone over the water. Going gangster style. There he goes. Back out to the deeps. I'm gonna throw it back there again with the same bait. That's bait. That's bait 2, fish 2. Probably been out here 20 minutes. That's how we do it. I'm about to retie, get back to y'all. Okay guys, I just hooked into one on the Wacky rig. Oh, there's one on the Wacky rig. I say he's 12 inches long. He's as long as my foot. I say he's about a pound. Goodbye, little buddy. Say he's a pound. Guys, I just had another one. Try to take it right there. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Sight fishing them. I say he's probably 5 pounds. Get off the rocks. No. Oh, he's barely hooked too. No. No. Yeah, baby. I think this is the one that took mine last time. Oh yeah. That's probably a 5-pounder. No, probably 4.5. Maybe, no, he's probably 3. I'm sorry, guys. Overreact. I'm gonna take him back and weigh him though real quick. On the wacky rig, he absolutely tore it up. Let's see how many inches he is. Okay. "20 inches. Let me close him out. He probably longer. 20 inches and 3/4. Let's get his weight in real quick and turn this baby back loose. Guys, I thought I was about to lose him. He was on them rocks. He took drag. He was on them rocks. I didn't want to. $3.14, almost 4 pounds. $3.14, guys. You can say, look at the head on him. He could probably be a 5-pounder, or probably a female. I'm gonna get the release on this. And there it goes, swimming off. This is my first video, probably will be my first video. And so if the camera quality ain't good, or it's something you think I could do better, just leave me a comment. And please hit the subscription button and the like, because that's what keeps us probably keep me motivated. And this is J&J Outdoors. Yeah, that was all grass. I just don't bass fish or catfish. I do a little bit of every type of fishing. I hunt. And if I get some subscribers, maybe a couple hundred subscribers, I'll probably start vlogging. Y'all tell me what y'all want me to do. Leave me in the comments. Want me to vlog, make how-to videos, things about hunting, things about fishing, or do you want me to get out here and show y'all videos of me fishing? You want me to show you how I caught them? I want to show you how I caught them. Oh, I got one. I got one, guys. I don't know how good he is. I don't know if he's little or big. He feels pretty good. Oh, he's little. This little blank flip, he's about 1 pound. On the lipless crankbait. He ate head first, it looks like. We got him on like front treble hooks. I'll see how long he is. There he is. Buddy, if you get me hooked, it'll be me. If you don't hook me, I'll be nice. And I changed my treble hooks on my crankbaits. I would, because almost everybody, all the treble hooks they put on these, any brand, sucks. I like Mustang. Oh my gosh. Or Gamakatsu. This joker. These hooks are sticky sharp. There we go. I'm gonna get he's probably 1 pound. I'm gonna get a length on him. That first one's about 1/2 pound. That last one's 3 pounds. And this one's about 1 pound. Oh, stop. Stop it. Stop. The faster you cooperate, I don't know how to say that word. cropper weight, whatever. 14 inches. Y'all see that, guys? 14 inches. Boom. Picture time. I'm take a selfie with a camera this time. With both of these cameras. Let's take a selfie with a camera. Oh, let me get the other one in. Oh, I'm gonna get a video of him throwing it back. I already got like 2 videos. You ready, guys? Here you go. Throw my fish back. Oh, I had him pop out. I had one just in. I had a bite. Yeah, he framed my line. I might be stupid for going or leaving it on there, but trying to jerk it out of the grass. There's a lot of moss sitting on top. It's usually a real clean pond. Oh, that's what. Ooh, that's slimy. Ugh. That felt wicked, nasty. Come on, fish. Let me get my fourth. Oh, oh, there's one. 4th fish. It's another little one. I don't care at the little folks. I like catching the little ones still. Oh, there he is. That's 4 fish for me. They look like 2 younger people. I'll get back with y'all when I get this hook out.